students, we have done today earlier about chapter number 3, that is advanced features of word processor, that is for unit 2. Now I am going to tell you practically of the topics which we have discussed earlier. When you open MS Word, now how to open MS Word is go to start program, start button, all programs, MS Office, then Microsoft Word 2010. Then the first screen that appears on your laptop or computer is like this, where you have quick access toolbar at the top. Then you have title bar where name of the document, document 1, Microsoft Word is written. Then you have various tabs as file, home, insert, page layout, references, mailing, review, view. After that you have options. Below the options you have various groups. This is group, clipboard group and font group. Then you have paragraph group. Then you have styles and so on. In the morning you were asking me about what is font dialog box launcher. Here you have font group. To the right side of the font group there is one arrow given to it. This is known as font dialog box launcher. When I click on this, font dialog box will come, and for this we will do later in this lecture only. First I am telling you about your format painter. Now where is format painter given? There is your clipboard group here. Clipboard group is given. In the clipboard group, one option is having brush sign written as format painter. Here it is also written copy formatting from one place to and apply to another. Now what to do is, this is your white area which is called the working area or the document area where we actually write the text. I have written two paragraphs here. First paragraph is, this is a computer class. We are doing chapter 3, advanced features of word processor 1. And this paragraph I will show you is using the font style Arial rounded 1 and the font size is 24, and I have made the text as italicized or I. How to use italicize? Just select the word. First I'll remove. What you have to do is select the word, then click on this I button. The text will be italicized or in italics. And the second paragraph I have written in some other font style. That font style I'll show you is Calibri body and the font size is 14. And the paragraph written is Microsoft Word is used for editing and formatting text. It has many features. Both have font size as different, font style is also different. Now if I want to apply, for example, first paragraph font style and size to the second paragraph, how can I do is just select the first paragraph. I have selected the first paragraph. Then go to the format painter button in the clipboard group. The arrow sign will change to now change to your the arrow sign is now changed to the brush symbol. You can see the arrow sign is changed to the brush symbol. I want to change the second paragraph. Now just click on the second paragraph. Just slide the brush on the second paragraph and see the style is also changed. The size is also changed. Italicized it is done. And you can see here also the font size is now 24 and style is Arial rounded 1 and italicized 1. This is how we can use the format painter. And if you want to apply the format painter style to more than one paragraph, you just have to double click on this format painter and select the first you select the paragraph from where you want to change, then double click on this format painter button, then again click on those paragraphs where you want to have the changes. Now second topic which we have done was of applying superscript and subscript. Now superscript I am talking about. Now superscript is what? Placing the selected text slightly above the baseline. I'll write in the next line. For example, I have written A2. A and 2. I have written A2. Now I want this number 2 to be used as your superscript. Select this number 2. Select this number 2. Go to this font dialog box launcher. This is your font dialog box launcher. Two methods you can do it. You can go to font dialog box launcher. In this is the options available: font, font style, size, font color, underline color, effects. Then you have effects. We have selected 2. Then select the effect as I want to use at superscript. Select superscript. Okay. Then you can see what is the difference: a square. So 2 has become the superscript of a. Next time I'll tell you what to do about the subscript. For example, I'm writing H. I'm writing H2O. H2O. I'm writing H2O and I want this to be my subscript, that is below the baseline. Now baseline is where this text is written, A, H2O. This is actually the baseline, or you can say the number. To make the numbers below the baseline or above the baseline, superscript and subscript are used. Now I've selected the number 2 as for my subscript. Go to again font dialog box launcher button, that is right to your font group, font dialog box launcher. Then you can select the subscript from here and you can see the preview in this preview section. Then click on OK option. You will see that 2 has now become the below the baseline, that is below H and below 2. So this is your subscript. Another way of writing subscript and superscript is, again I'm going to next line. Here there are 2 buttons given in your font group also, that is x to the power 2 and x to the power 2 and x to the base 2. These are also called the subscript and the superscript buttons. Subscript and the superscript button, that is x to the power 2 and x to the power s to the base 2 and x to the power 2. Now I'll tell you how to do using these 2 buttons. I'm writing A, D. You can write any numbers or any alphabets or any text you want to write. For example, I want to make D as my superscript. Select D. Select D. Then go to this base button, that is for subscript. Subscript button. Then D is now in the base. I have deleted now. Again I want to add, I'm just writing A, D. Now I want D to be my superscript. Again select D with the help of your cursor. Then go to the superscript button. This is x to the power 2 superscript button. Superscript. D has now become your superscript, you can see. So 2 methods we can use using font dialog box launcher or the buttons present in the font group, that is x to the power 2 and x to the base 2. Now another effects which you were asking me were of how many effects we can use, that is given in the tip on page number 31. That is, you have font dialog box launcher given here. For example, I'll select one word Microsoft from here. I'll tell you about the strike through. Go to font dialog box launcher again from the font group, font dialog box launcher. There you have effects given over here. If I'll again select strike through, then you see a line is striked or written in the center of Microsoft, and if I apply OK, that will be applied here. This is your one strike through. For double strike through, for example, again I select the word formatting. Again I go to font dialog box launcher, then double strike through, the double lines, then OK, then double lines will be presented on the word formatting. Now again, more effects which are given here are, you can use the small caps. I'll select one word as advanced here, selected, then go to font dialog box launcher, then there are small caps. See what the difference is being done in the preview. If I write small caps, first letter is capital, all other are capital only but smaller than the first word. This is the preview. And if I select all caps, all the letters will be in the capital. If I write hidden, select hidden from here, I remove all caps from here, hidden. Okay, the advanced word is hidden from here, that it will be not seen here. And if you want to again bring it back, you can go to the undo button. Advanced will be given here. So all these effects are present on the font dialog box launcher. One more thing which we have done today is was of applying shadow effect. Shadow effect, the shadow effect is button is given in your Microsoft Word 2010. This is your shadow effect button. This is text effect. This is also known as shadow effect. In the font group, this is text effect. There various shadows are given. For example, in this text effect only, one option is given, shadow. Text effect button from here, then again one effect, shadow. In that you can apply various types of shadow. This is the outer shadow, inner shadow, and how you want to rotate. You can apply any kind of shadow. For example, if I want to do this, then the word advanced is now having a light shadow effect, that is the 3D effect. I can also change the color and show it to you. So this was all about your shadow effects. You can also change the shadow of various, for example, this processor word is written. So this is your advanced word where you have the inner part of the text as purple, the outer part is light blue color. This you will see when you apply on your computer screens. These are the various shadow effects that are available under the text effects in font group. Click on the text effects. Text effects, you have various shadow. I can apply this shadow also. First you have to select the word, then text effect, then you can apply any shadow like this. I can change the shadow. The outer shadow is of lighter color, inner shadow of the word is of advanced color, darker color. I hope all your queries are now fulfilled, all your doubts are cleared. Thank you.